The upcoming Apple M1X chip, the next generation Apple Silicon processor that's going to power their upcoming MacBooks as well as the redesigned iMac for the year 2021. In this video, let's talk about all the known specifications of the Apple M1X. So let's see what will be the possible improvements over the last generation Apple M1 chip. Hey guys, all about technology 24/7 here. If you like what you're watching, I would appreciate if you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so that you receive all the latest updates from my channel. Also like this video if you did. Let's now get started. So let's directly jump into the specifications of Apple M1X. Yes, till now there is no official confirmation because it's not yet launched. It's going to be launching pretty soon, but we have quite a few leaks that suggest these specifications. The Apple M1X chip is going to have 12 CPU cores, out of which 8 are dedicated for high performance and 4 are considered as energy efficient cores, and it will switch based on the task what you are doing on your machine, and these are like said to be as powerful as a Core i9 10th generation processor. Also, it has been compared with AMD processors like AMD Ryzen 7 and stuff. So this is going to be pretty amazing, I can say, the performance, because these 12 cores, it's going to rock, I should say. And with the previous experience, Apple M1 chip with that 8 cores, it literally crushed Intel based MacBooks from like previous generation, I can say. So definitely we should see massive performance improvement here. So talking about the GPU, it said that it is going to have 16 GPU cores, exactly double than what we have seen on the M1 processor. So M1 had 8 cores, this is going to have 16, and the performance will also be like at least double than what we had seen on the M1, that's for sure, because this GPU is compared with fully fledged graphic card from AMD, that's the AMD Radeon RX 5500 XT. This GPU is compared with this graphic card. It said that the performance is pretty much similar in both of these graphic cards. I mean the GPU from AMD and the GPU from Apple, which will be in the Apple M1X processor. This is pretty impressive. One problem with the M1 based laptops was you just cannot upgrade anything. Yes, whatever you get from factory, that's what it is. Cannot upgrade storage, you just cannot upgrade your RAM over time, nothing. That's one thing that bugged a lot of people including me. But even with the M1X processor, I'm not sure whether Apple will change that, and it's likely that Apple will not change that because you just cannot do that on a silicon processor as of now. But we can expect surprises from Apple as we have seen previously. But guys, one thing to note here is that if Apple is providing GPU performance equivalent to that of a fully fledged graphic card from AMD, then it's obvious that nobody will require an external GPU to be connected to their machines. So this made me think that yes, even with the M1X, that's going to be the scene, like Apple will not provide any upgradability. So let's wait and see on that part. And yes, again, the Apple M1X chip will be built on the 5nm FinFET process, but this 5nm FinFET process from TSMC will be much more better than their previous generation. Previous generation M1 was also built on 5nm FinFET process, but with this generation, it's even more improved. Yes, we were expecting to see like 4nm or 3nm, I can say, lower than 5, but that's not going to be there in 2021. That's reserved for 2022 as per the rumors and leaks. So yeah, that's regarding the FinFET process. So as of now, these are all the information that we have about the upcoming M1X processor. What do you guys think about this processor? Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So this was a quick little video talking about all the specification leaks of the upcoming Apple M1X processor. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Also do follow me on Instagram, link is in the description or it's appearing somewhere on the display. This is all about technology 24/7. Signing off for the moment. You guys have a great day. Peace.